This 5-minute solution will show you how to recover Snapchat account without phone number or email address. This is going to be the perfect video for you to recover your Snapchat account without phone or email address. So the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. First of all, open a browser and type here Snapchat support. Open Snapchat support. Tap on contact us. Select I can't access my account. And here select I can't verify my email or phone number. Select yes. Now you have to fill up this form. Give here your Snapchat account username. Enter here an email address you can access. And give here your mobile number. And here carefully describe that you can't access your Snapchat account email address or phone number. Now submit this form, and after submitting the form, Snapchat will respond to your email address. So that's how you'll be able to recover Snapchat account without phone number or email address. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.